Wow. Look at this pufferfish. It's ginormous. What's his name again? Oh, Dodoria. Right. His name's Dodoria. He looks like Avo and Kato. Only more pufferfish shaped. Alexa, what is a pufferfish?
Parrotfishes are a group of about 90 fish species regarded as a family, or a subfamily of the wrasses. With about 95 species, this group's largest species richness is in the Indo-Pacific. They are found in coral reefs, rocky coasts, and seagrass beds, and can play a significant role in bioerosion.
Alexa, what is a pufferfish?
Tetradontidae is a family of primarily marine and estuarine fish of the order Tetraodontiformes. The family includes many familiar species variously called pufferfish, puffers, balloonfish, blowfish, blowies, bubblefish, globefish, swellfish, toadfish, toadies, toadle, honey toads, sugar toads, and sea squab.
Alexa, what is a porcupine puffer?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, porcupine meatballs are a fun twist on the traditional meatball recipe.
Alexa, what is the sea animal known as porcupine puffer?
From fandom.com, the porcupine puffer is well known for its ability to inflate into a spiny ball by swallowing large amounts of water.
Thanks for telling me that. That's how you draw the porcupine puffer known as the dodoria. That's even his name. Oh yeah, it is. Thanks for joining our fun facts today, folks. Good night.